Good afternoon, dear colleagues. Let me present the result of research on the topic creation and use of mobile application AR physics in physics teaching at the university. Today, reality suggests that the majority of students studying the university physics feel a certain tension and dissatisfaction. On the one hand, the main factor is a weak level of school knowledge, as evidenced by their high school graduation examination. On the other hand, students' poor understanding of the discipline's meaning due to emotional non-acceptance of the teaching materials and limited equipment of the laboratories of most Ukrainian universities. This leads to the fact that many students do not understand the links between physical phenomena and process, do not see the possibility of using physics in solving professional tasks and recognizing the real world. One of the areas of modernization of physics teaching in the university is the use of AR technology, which allows to conduct physical experiments in the absence of the necessary equipment. AR provides a low power, move, wrap, zoom 3D models, view them under any object, combine and separate virtual objects, modeling and process and phenomena. Thus, complementary creates an atmosphere of excitement in problem solving and in the environment of experimentation, helping to visualize complex process and laws that are difficult or even impossible to achieve without special tools. The purpose of the article is to create mobile application AR of university physics course and check experimentally effectiveness of its usage during the process of students' professional training. In autumn 2019, we conducted an assessment of 15 experts, teachers of mathematics, informatics, and physics at the Boris Grinchenko Kyiv University, Sumy State Pedagogical University named after Makarenko, and the Uman State Pedagogical University named after Pavlo Chechina. As a result of summarizing their respondent thoughts, we identified the benefits of using AR in the educational process. We believe that these advantages will be relevant for the development and implementation of the mobile AR add-on. Visibility. The main point is that the AR system can be studied and investigated in detail. Attention. Students are more receptive to information that is more visualized. Detachments. Students who use AR are more focused on the teaching materials and do not get distracted by other external factors. Management. AR is a technology that allows the teachers to control the scenario of learning the material according to the abilities of the students. Safety. The AI technology can be used to carry out complex physical, chemical, and other experiments in a safe manner. Effectiveness. Implementation of the educational process with the help of AR increases the motivation of students, is practically oriented, and acts as a guarantor of educational quality. The results of previous experimental studies by the authors of this article indicate the effectiveness of the educational process with the use of AR tools. We strongly believe that the special attention should be paid to AR in the context of studying natural and mathematical disciplines in the university. In the context of distance education, which outweighs traditional full-time education, and real level of equipment and materials in the university experimental laboratories, AI technology itself can significantly affect the quality of university training of students of natural and mathematical and technical specialties.
Good day, dear colleagues. My colleague Volodymyr Proshkin today asked about part theoretical and mathematical results. So I asked about the development part. So for development we use special tools. It's Android Studio for develop application for Android. Today's Max Autodesk for create 2D models. Ashampa Music Sense version edition for voice support and special different libraries and frameworks. For example, AirCore, SendForm, and Google Translation plugin. So, our steps for develop this application. First, create technical task. Second, model basic objects. Objects for augmented reality and renderable. Next step is converting primitive models for workspace. Workspace for Android Studio and adding these models for augmented reality view. Next step is write code. It's our development. So next, create voice assistant or voice support for a program. Last step is build project and test it. So first, you can see in this picture next model. This model amateur and voltmeter, and uh, you can see perspective view and orthogonal modes. Uh, this model without special rendering and this primitive. Next step is model without rendering but with special animation. You can see in the left part screen special tools for bones animation. Next step. After model, we submit for this model to workspace Android Studio. This code rendering and connecting this model for a special augmented reality file and special view. Next step, we use Shampoo Music Studio for a speech. And after speech, we connect this speech in a special code to Android Studio. And for example, in our speech, so we create in different languages. That's Ukrainian, Russian, Slovak, Dutch, French, Spanish, Italian, and last version adding support in Portuguese. So this screen uses special buttons, control buttons. Stop it, understand, and button play. Play it's special listener using to listener for working this application. That's animation and voice support. And now we can see uh, mode in workspace and without OpenGL library. This special view and after uh, full finish application we public it in release in Google Play Store. After full publication, we can send a link for download this application. Okay, that's a little part. Thank you for your attention. You can read our article, and after that you can see different offers about upgrade this application. But if you have now questions or offers, please ask me now, or send in my mail message, or message in my phone number. I use Telegram and Viber.